Hello everyone, I'm Jane. I'm back again. Today I will show you our new ready folding machine for the aprons. Do you have any concern about the folding or how to do the automatic folding? You can try our new arrival machine. This is a 2 stations machine and for this customer, they have to be 50 pieces to pack to the boxes, and so this machine also have the automatic counting function. To here, they have containers. Once they counting 15 pieces, then we'll move forward and have this another one here. So it's very automatic folding lines. And if you want to know more details about this machine, please PM me. Thank you.